Ebam Gokoro Blessing in Kiruka, popularly known as Blessing CEO. Mbonyi Onicha Igbo, Ebonyi State to be precise. I come and nonte to my community. I can't name Murum, Onicha Igbo. Despite the fact na anyị njeremba kpata ike nweta eva onwe ebe na-eku omenala. It is called the root. Anyị gbacha jekpa mba anyị jemiwa back to our root. Ekoma niile na-agosi unu bụ ekanchere. Ekoma bụ ekanchere. Nritara mgbe m na-eche gị nwata nsi mgbe m nọ na Federal Government College Ọkpọsị na Bejeka be na-aṅụ ụṅa ọdụm miwa. Good evening, ma. My community ke dumma. Civilization do kwa mma. But if mere nji like ibe anyị bụ ne mbata ibe anyị ịmara ni nọ na village. Anyị nwere ike mma udiri ibe amandu de egburu emma uduru nọma ibe di ruo ebu eja na-eku mud house ọ nọ n'Onicha Igbo eze ka iji nweta kg mud jiri cement ruo ego ibe ji mara ndị Ebonyi bụ naanị ma arụ ọrụ nye anyị adịwa gani. When it comes to laziness, you cannot find us there. We are not wayward people. Naanị agba na ụkpara. Kama anyị nji igba ụkpara, anyị eburu ibe n'isi na-ere. We are popularly known as ndị wawa because we are used to...
keep my bike.
I'm using it. So... Brother Obonna. He likes me calling him brother. Brother,
because I won that.
Are you my brother? It's a map on every job.
Yes, man.
How many years?
I was in SSU and SS1.
Just 2 years.
It's not just two.
Okay, brother. You know, I just got back, so you be very nice, brother.
I'm just watching this station. I was telling you.
No, thank you, then. So, let's pick up. So, any maggot, I name me very serene. Even marriage like and on Onicha Igbo, I need to be very peaceful, industrious. So, unuji chomte sanyi je ibe nam our compound. Then get the kwente omunuhu. I need to omunuhu. Omunuhu simply means that family compound where everybody grew. Before before people started making money, buying lands and building their house separately, there's what is called family compound, where everybody grew up. So that's where my father grew up. That's where they married my mom. Until we grew, my father was able to build his own house in a separate place. That's where we are walking to now. Now I need to make a church in a car. Go see her church. So Cholom Sunday Gosinu where I grew up. I remember then when I was schooling in Federal Government College Ọkpọsị, when my parents could not afford to bring us home all the time. So we used to come to the village to rest. My village is very quiet and peaceful. We have light, oh. Maybe I say they cut our light for this place. But it is well with our soul. So the view is very calm and Welcome to my father's compound. This is my father's shrine. My father is Okoro Albaji, popularly known as the Wizard. He's a herbalist. You say you dey do juju. You say you know they fear juju. Enter here. Don't think so we know the key person, but we find us trouble. That's my father's plan. So I'm going to tell you a story about this place. This was where I was born, because when they gave birth to me, my parents didn't have money, so they had to come and give birth to me in the village. Uncle Bona, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, you know. Just listening.
What? You what?
My money.
Okay, yeah, can remember the side.
Yes.
You what? I do not because you can go, so that you don't. You what? Yeah, no. Huh?
Are you good? So pick up on that. Ready?
Yeah.
So when I was born, there was no money to take me to town. So I was born and bred in the village. I was born in Uburu Hospital on cheap basis. This was where my first husband came to marry me. This was where we had all the traditional weddings. You can see. And let me also take you to our kitchen, where we used to cook biryani. And then man come out like I in the shoe. I was not born with a silver spoon, no. Those of us way they envy us. All of us get story. The only difference we say we know big work. We get to do nothing. This is what we used to do. Let me show you our bathroom. They no bonus with jacuzzi. This is our bathroom. We come in here today. We will throw wrapper. That's why sometimes when you see us bragging, you're not going to understand. So, it's been a roller coaster and I'm so proud of myself. Coming back to this place and looking around, it's what's hitting my chest and saying, blessings is done well for yourself. I used to tell people, remember your roots. Now where you they come from, they lead you to where you they go. When you they pop a zoo, they do obule. You get house for village. You don't fix mama kitchen. I'm asking you back for this kind of bathroom. This video is to inspire you and show you my roots, and to also tell you that I wasn't born with a silver spoon. We buy the silver spoon.